Wow, so I am a jammy bastard today. I stopped at Port Renfrew at the pub to have a coffee and charge my phone and met a couple, and they said I could stay in their cabin, which I was like, sure, because it's absolutely freezing. So I thought I'd be staying in their cabin with them. Turns out they have a house and they're giving me their holiday cabin for the night for free. How awesome is this? So I am out here. There's a fake black bear over there. But look at this place. I am so stoked. I can have a hot shower. Not only that, I can sit in front of the fireplace. Oh yes. So this is the lounge. I don't really know where all the light switches are just yet. Fireplace, TV, DVD player. And come through. There's the kitchen. Already spread my stuff out. And the lady Diane, so it's Diane and Angus, she's given me a cinnamon roll. They're so sweet. This is the kitchen, bedroom number 1, where I will be tonight. And then I think the second bedroom is through here. And a bathroom. I can have a hot shower. I am so stoked. I want to get this stove on. I wouldn't know how though. So I'll stick with the electric one for now. Yeah! I'm so lucky!